Welcome to BuySpares. In this video we will show you how to replace the outer door frame on a Kenwood washing machine. Before fitting any electrical equipment, you must ensure that the appliance is first disconnected from the mains. If your door on the washing machine is broken, it may be causing an issue with the door closing and will need to be replaced. Open the door and remove the two screws holding the door on here. Lift the door off and place on a flat surface. Take out the screws around the inner frame holding it together. Lift off the inner frame. Remove the hinge and the metal hook for the door lock. Take the glass out of the way and lift the outer door frame out. Put the new outer frame into position. Refit the hinge and the metal hook back into place and place the door glass back in. Fit the inner frame back in and line up the holes and put the screws back in. Clip the door back onto the cabinet and refit the screws. And there we have it, one outer door frame replaced on a Kenwood washing machine. For all the spares you need, visit the BuySpares website.